One small initiative has created history. Man behind is Sharma ji. I really appreciate him. I congratulate him. Really, I am proud of him.
Say hello to the Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone, or AMTZ. Located in Visakhapatnam, AMTZ is India's first medical technology park. It's a 270-acre hub that's home to over 150 companies, producing a wide range of medical devices. From masks to MRI machines, CT scans, and pacemakers, AMTZ produces it all. They even manufacture cyclotrons, which produce radioisotopes for cancer care. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AMTZ played a crucial role in supplying critical medical equipment across the country. They manufactured 250 ventilators, 500 oxygen concentrators, and 10 lakh COVID RT-PCR kits daily. Today, AMTZ is flourishing as a global ecosystem for medical technology. With the WHO Center for Health Innovations, World Trade Center, and several other cutting-edge facilities, AMTZ is set to become a global manufacturing hub for medical equipment. So, what does this mean for India's healthcare industry? Will AMTZ's innovative approach revolutionize medical care in the country? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Follow our MediToday channel for more updates and engaging content like this.